Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's see what Nifty and Bank Nifty can do tomorrow, as tomorrow is Nifty expiry. So we might see a gap down followed by sideways tomorrow, but let's see what are those levels, all those things. So if you have observed, these are the levels which have shared like 10 days before, and market is just reacting to this level since 10 days. Closing above, it is going and touching above level, closing below, coming and touching below level, and market is just going inside outside between these levels only. If you see, so this is the chart I've these are the lines which I've drawn almost 8 days 9 days ago, and this is the final target I made upside here. Nifty went here and tested that final target. It have given a fake breakout, and again it came back inside. Again now Nifty is coming down. It might test this downside also tomorrow. So tomorrow we might see a gap down opening. In case if it opens flat also, we might see Nifty testing this level. Again, this is kind of a make or break level for Nifty tomorrow, 23,670 to 700 level. Let's see what are the levels for Nifty tomorrow. So if we see these, we are seeing on 1 hour time frame here. So these are the levels for Nifty tomorrow. We might see Nifty coming and testing this level tomorrow, 23,700 to 730 level. So I will be bullish only about 24k. If Nifty closes a 15 minutes candle about 24k, then only we can become bullish and we can play for the upside in Nifty. Till then Nifty is a sell on rise. Every rise you will get a selling in Nifty. So tomorrow if market opens flat, or little gap up, and if it takes a rejection from this level, and if you see a 15 minutes candle closing below this level, our stop loss will be above this candle and our target will be this 23,700 to 730. In case if Nifty breaks this level, and if you see a 15 minutes candle closing below this level, we are going to see this target. So this is a big target, again 200 to 250 points target we have downside in Nifty, which is 23,482 500 zone we might be seeing in Nifty. If this also breaks, the final level we see in Nifty is 23,310 to 23,370 zone. So that is the reason I have highlighted it in dark green. So this is kind of a make or break level for this whole rally which happened recently. So right now, so we are here at 23,800. If Nifty opens flat or below 23,800, definitely we are going to test this zone, 23,700 to 730 zone. At this zone, you have to see how price is reacting. If you see a 15 minutes hammer candle closing upside at this zone, and you are seeing next candle crossing this hammer candle, then we can try long for this as our target, 23,850 to 880 area. In case if you see a 15 minutes hammer green candle here and next candle is not crossing this, then this is a trap candle, and we might see next candle closing below this zone, and market will be slowly sliding towards this zone. We might not see strong selling, but market might slowly slide towards this zone. Okay, today also we have exactly entered here for the downside. On the top we have captured whole of this movement today in Nifty. Okay, if you wanted those live market updates, you can join my free WhatsApp community, for which I will be sharing the link here in the description. So now for the upside, you know the downside targets, how you need to play. For the upside, if you see a 15 minutes candle closing above this 850 80 and you are seeing next candle crossing that, then upside targets will be this 23,966 to 24,111. Above this, the upside target will be 2480 to 24,133 zone. Okay, above this we have a strong resistance here from 240 to almost 300 zone. So this will be a strong resistance in Nifty. Okay, but before to that, this will be a very good resistance, 2480 to 24,133. Market might not close tomorrow above this level. We see market closing below, somewhere below 24,000 to 24,700 to 730 zone tomorrow. That is my expectation. But in case if Nifty breaks this level, and if you see a follow up, then you are going to test this, market is going to test this level. Okay, so this is my view in Nifty for tomorrow. For Bank Nifty also, we were discussing again same levels from long time. Bank Nifty also reacting. If you see today also, Bank Nifty exactly taken support here, went back, tested our level, again breakdown of this zone, again came back and retested this level, and again here you have seen a 15 minutes candle here. So now for Bank Nifty, in case if tomorrow market opens flat somewhere here or little gap up, and then it closes a 15 minutes candle below this zone, you will be seeing this as your first target, 53,860, below this 53,566, below this 53,266. So these are the targets for downside in Bank Nifty. Till Bank Nifty is above this zone, 54,330 to 54,400 zone. So our view is not bearish here in Bank Nifty. Every rise we might get sell off, but we will play for the bullish setup here. Above this, your first target will be 54,702 to 54,800. Above this, again your next target will be 55,000 level. Okay, in case if you are seeing a rejections here, you can play for the downside. Again, if any candle close below this zone, you can play for this level. But if any candle close below this zone, the big targets will open downside in Bank Nifty. So be careful. So we are at make or break levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Anything can happen. Market might trap downside and immediately it might reverse. So you have to carefully observe the price, and accordingly you need to decide your trades tomorrow. Better trade with next week options. Don't trade with current week options in Nifty. You might get stuck in decay. Okay, in case if you need any live market updates, you can join my free WhatsApp community. In case if I see any setups, anything educational setups, I will be sharing those on my WhatsApp community. Accordingly you can decide. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I will not give any buy sell recommendations. Just I will be sharing my views for education. So you can consult your financial advisors, and accordingly you can trade. Thank you everyone for watching this video.